Types of machine foundation. In this video, we will discuss about the different types of machine foundation. Block-type machine foundations consist of a pedestal resting on a footing. The foundation has a large mass and a small natural frequency. Box-type machine foundation consists of a hollow concrete block. The mass of the foundation is less than the block type and the natural frequency is increased. Wall-type machine foundation consists of a pair of walls having a top slab. The machine rests on the top slab